For more than 17, 18 years, I have had no periods. First of all, I have endometriosis. I had surgery to remove one ovary, both tubes. And so I was left still with my uterus and one ovary. So technically, I should still have periods. But after the surgery, it totally stopped 17, 18 years ago. Although I still felt discomfort. My belly feels like it's swollen. Yung feeling mo magkakaroon ka na, pero all the time, kasi hindi naman lumalabas. I got introduced to the Great Life products. I normally use liners, so I switched to Great Life, to the 8 Cares liners. After a couple of weeks, went to the bathroom, I saw the liners already full of blood. And so I switched to the napkin, and I had a period for probably 3 days. But the next month, it happened again. And then the next month. From December to now, I'd been having monthly periods. I felt better than I have for years. I'm just like a brand new person. I'm just so light. The constant feeling of swelling and sore, wala po. Kasi before po, I really have the ache, and now it's no longer there. Now, I'm happy when I have my periods. I'll only remember I have my period once I go to the bathroom and I see the napkin. I would really not dare touch another napkin again in my life.